Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new 2022 Avenger 26BK bunkhouse floor plan by Primetime Manufacturing. So it's a really popular floor plan. Avenger does a few things different though, and there's been some cool updates for 2022. We'll dive in and check those out. So we'll start on the outside. First, all Avengers are coming with a power tongue jack, so no more hand crank. You got a nice big pass-through storage. Power awning, the LED light strips, so you can just control that with a push of a button inside. And you even got outside speakers right at ear level here, so you don't project sound over to the next guy if your speakers are up too high. Solid stance steps, so these just fold right up into the unit and they actually make contact with the ground. And you have the extended grab handle as well. They even give you a bottle opener so you can have yourself a drink on your way in or out of the trailer. One of my favorite parts of this one is the outside kitchen. Okay, you don't see that a lot, A, at this price point, and B, in this floor plan. So Avenger figured out a way to get it in there and make it work. And not just a small one either, this one's got everything. So not only do you have a plumbed in sink, a lot of companies now, manufacturers are starting to forego the sink completely or put in just maybe a basin that just drains into a little bucket and you dump it out. This one's actually plumbed right into the gray tank of the unit. It's a really nice feature. Got your pull-out 2-burner stove. Okay, and then your little outside beer fridge. Around the corner here, you got doggy leash ring. And up top, this guy even comes with backup camera prep. So if this is your first time hauling something this big, gives you a little extra peace of mind. Let's go inside and check out the floor plan. All right, welcome inside. If you've been watching Avenger for a while, you'll know this is a nice update in the decor. So with the gray style kind of furniture, contrast with kind of the beige wood and the black hardware, really sharp update this year. Nice big window right by your dinette, full-size booth, no slide out in this guy, so it does of course keep the weight down, keeps your maintenance down, but it's still a nice effective floor plan where lots of families can kind of coexist without tripping over each other, okay? Cabinets up top, you got your Bluetooth radio that you can control right here. And if you decided to put a TV in, there's a backer here for it with your hookups, okay? Air conditioning, that's ducted throughout the whole unit, so it's not just a central air unit, that'll blow throughout the whole thing. You got little roof ducts here. All the lighting's LED. Sofa. So this is kind of across from that TV space. So really nice. This will pop down futon style into an additional sleeping spot if you needed it. And then you got your kitchen. So seamless countertops, stainless steel sink, nice black hardware, cabinet above, lots of room for dishes and such. Microwave, range hood, and your oven. You got your glass stovetop, which just pulls back, doubles as a backsplash. Underneath, you got a nice little drawer here, great for baking sheets and things like that. And then your nice big fridge, okay? 12 volt, 10 cubic foot fridge. It's huge. So lots of space in there. This has got a few advantages over the old two-way fridges. Not only is it bigger, it's less maintenance in a sense that there's no panels on the outside of the fridge. So there's nothing that you have to seal up or maintain, make sure moisture is draining properly. There's no vent on the roof for this to breathe out either, it just doesn't need it. The cost on these is also a lot less. So if your two-way fridge fails you down the line, this guy will come in a lot cheaper to replace. Just runs off your 12-volt battery, so you're always gonna have power for it. And if you are worried about running out of power, throw a solar panel on the roof. That'll power this guy indefinitely, depending on the size. These are very efficient refrigerators, and they are the future in these. Getting to the back here, so you got two nice big oversized bunks. There's USB ports on both, a light on both. It's a 250-pound capacity, more than enough for a kid and most adults. Over around this side, you have your vanity. So really cool kind of feature here. If you got a family of 3, 4, 5 even in this unit, which they would fit, somebody can be using the sink, the medicine cabinet, everything to get ready in the morning while somebody's still using the washroom inside or showering up for the day. Got a skylight in there, lots of room. Go check out the master bedroom. So another cool feature about this floor plan is the private master bedroom. You got a sliding wood door, close that off, and you have a walk-around bed and your own kind of private room. Gives you a window, USB ports on the other side there, closets all the way around, cabinets above. It's not just a shelf, they actually close it off. Storage under the bed. And if you decided to put a TV in here, there is a backer with hookups here as well. It's AC duct. This is the main hookups if you're going to do Wi-Fi in here. There is an antenna on the roof for that, and you can install the modem right here, so you have access. You'll have Wi-Fi. It's awesome. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.